Are you the type that like to come home to a clean home after being on vacation, or do you do it when you get back? If you're anything like me and like to clean before you go on vacation, stick around. I'm going to share what I do before I go on vacation. My non-negotiable is cleaning my sheets before going on vacation. I like to wash my sheets a night or two before leaving town. While the sheets won't be perfectly fresh when we get back home, they'll be pretty close and a lot cozier to crawl into. But if you know me at all, you know that I love using high-end laundry detergent for my sheets and delicates. Let me share my new love. Guys, look, have you tried this? This is Bath and Body Works detergent. A lot of you probably already know that this detergent is out. I knew it, but I heard some reviews on it and I wanted to try it for myself, and I did. So this detergent, you guys, it smells amazing. I kid you not. The reviews that I heard was that if you use just the detergent alone, that you wouldn't smell it when you took it out of the wash, and especially when you put it in the dryer. I didn't find that, and I went by the directions. I didn't find that. So if you're kind of like sensitive to smells, you will smell it. But if you're not sensitive to smells, you probably won't. But one thing I do recommend is using the scent boosters that comes with it, which is actually an added cost. But I happened to be at the mall and came across it. I said, you know what, let me just try it. And I love it. I love it. So, and I use this just for like my linens, my bed linens, and my pajamas, because it is fairly expensive, but you get a lot. This is 32 full ounces, and it was on sale 2 for $30. Regular price was $19 for one. So, yeah, try it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Doing the laundry after vacation is treacherous. I've always done my laundry before leaving for vacation, but I now have the luxury of doing our laundry in our RV. Yes, we do have a washer and dryer in Big Lucy, and I'll be sharing how I do laundry in our RV in case you are interested. So be sure to subscribe to Glamping with the Coopers so you don't miss out. It's such a blessing to have this luxury of doing laundry on the road, if you will, before you get home. This way I don't have laundry to do when I'm actually at home. I'm cleaning our food containers for our trip. I came across these beverage pitchers from Marshall's for only $5.99 each. And I normally do not take something out of a container to put into another container. Honestly, I do not have that kind of time. I have 2 huge gallons of apple juice and orange juice in our refrigerator, and I don't want to take 2 huge gallons with us. That will be the only exception for me to decant these drinks. If you watched a few of my videos in the past and over on Glamping with the Coopers, I always do our food prep at home before going on our trip. It saves so much time and energy to just do it all ahead of time. Everything will be nice and clean when I get back home with our fresh groceries, and all I need to do is prepare them in the containers. My mom taught me and my sisters to clean before we leave as we were growing up, and as much as I hated to do it, as a homeowner now, I do appreciate it. Temptation runs so deep when it comes to running the dishwasher, and leave the unloading for when you return, but I'm positive it is one of the last chores you will want to do when you return home from an awesome vacation. But to ease the post-vacation blues, I like to leave my house as clean and as welcoming as possible. That way I can walk inside and feel no pressure and get it all done. Clean your countertops. I shared this hack on Instagram and here on YouTube Shorts of how you can take your Dawn dish bottle cap and place it on your Fabuloso bottle. I prefer using this spray that, hey you guys, don't you tussle with me in the comments. I know it's concentrated, but I'm only using a few light mists, and I'll rinse my cloth and wipe it down again. One thing I always do is freshen up my garbage disposal. I always clean it out, starting with some boiling hot water. And the best thing about my 5-year-old Smeg tea kettle is that it heats up in seconds. I have one for our RV. We love it that much. Scrub Daddy paste is my go-to for cleaning out the sink, but you can also use it on grease and soap scum, mildew, lime scale, anything that's like stained, you could use it. I'll toss down some baking soda and then I will store it in this vessel because it's a lot easier than digging in the bag. I buy this in bulk, followed by vinegar. It takes 2 seconds and I don't have to play what's that smell when I get home. That's a game that has no winners. This thingamajig that catches the food debris, it doesn't look too bad now because I usually keep up with it, but it still could use a little TLC. I'm also adding this dishwasher cleaner to clean out all of that grime and grease that builds up in the pipes. This is good stuff, you guys. And be sure to leave the dishwasher open just a crack to let the air circulate. I'm using my time saver, the Bissell all-in-one multi-surface floor cleaner. It allows you to vacuum, wash, and steam at the same time. How exciting! The 2-tank technology helps keep the clean water and formula separate from the dirty water, pet hair, debris, and it separates wet and dry messes for easy cleanup. If you guys are interested in knowing or seeing what Otis and I are going to be doing for our 16th year anniversary, head on over to Glamping with the Coopers. I'm going to be sharing everything with you guys, even how we set up. There's no telling. It's going to be so random. So if you're interested, I'll leave that link down below. And I want to thank you all for watching.